I have been using these blunt chisels for way too long now, and I wanted to come up with a way to sharpen them. So this is what I've come up with. I decided to buy this Oilstone and sharpening kit. So I got this on Amazon, and I'll put a link to it in the description. I paid just under £20 for it, and I thought it was a really good deal because it comes with this stone here. So this has got a medium grade on one side and a fine grade on the other. It also comes with a honing guide. And what a honing guide allows you to do, it allows you to hold the chisel at about 25 degrees, which is the angle on there. So I'll hopefully be able to get a nice accurate cut. And it also sent a bottle of oil, which is a lubricant for when you are sharpening. So let's open this up and see what I can do. So now I need to get this chisel into the honing guide, and it seems to suggest that I just need to twist that until it kind of locks onto the chisel. Then it looks like a little bit of oil goes on, hopefully. I'm really not sure how much to put on, I just see how it goes. Then I think I'll put the Oilstone in the vise. Then you have to find this little spinny thing on the bottom, and you have to set it to the right angle. And then I think I'll just move it back and forward, and then I will get started. I've only been sharpening a few minutes, and I switched to the fine side. I'm not sure if I am doing it right. I'll probably have to do a little bit more research. But I am just gonna try and put a board in here and try and see if I can take off a corner just with this chisel.